I am back in Ahuntsic checking out another new condo project called St-Laurent, located in the historic and famous St-Laurent Boulevard. It is in its fourth and final phase to be delivered in the fall of 2024. One of the things that I like about this project is that the developer really went low-key with small three-story buildings that really feels low-key and very intimate. In fact, when I first drove past the project, I didn't realize it was a new construction project because the project blends so well into the neighborhood. So if you're a fan of high-rises and large buildings with common areas and all the bells and whistles, this project is definitely not for you. That being said, the interior or the actual units are definitely not low-key. We're talking about smaller buildings. There are less units and the size of each unit is actually quite generous. There are only 2 and 3 bedroom units. So no studios, no micro condos that are standing room only. The site actually is just behind me next to the red building. That's where phase 4 is going to be built, which comprises of 2 buildings, G and H, and there are 8 units per building. So today I'll be showing you the model unit, which is actually in an earlier phase that's already been built. It's model F4. It's a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, around 1,100 square feet unit that is going for $560,000 taxes in. The unit has already been sold, but there are a few other units in phase 3 if you are looking for immediate occupancy. Once you've had the chance to check out the model unit, you'll definitely get a better feel for the project, the units, and what to expect in the last phase. And if you really love the model unit, there's actually an exact layout that is available, 2 units with the same layout and the same plan, models G4 and H4, and they'll be available in the last phase. Again, it's going to be delivered in the fall of 2024. So just before I go in, I want to tell you a little bit about the promotions currently being offered by the developer. So first of all, you only have to put 5% down, which is very rare for new construction projects. Typically you have to put at least 10 or 15% down. And there are a lot of extras that are included, like the recessed lighting, the quartz counters. So these are typically extras that you have to pay extra for, and they're included in the base price. And the last but not least, one thing I also like is how affordable the exterior parking space is, and it's going for around $26,000 plus tax. All right, let's take a look inside.
All right, so let's take a look at the model unit. So this is model F4, a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom unit going for $560,000, taxes in. So this is the view from the front entrance. You have a side entrance. This is kind of cool. So if you park your car in the back, you don't have to go all the way around to the front of the building. You have your own side entrance. And as well, you may have noticed the set of stairs. So this is not right on the ground floor. It's actually above ground. The closet. Some storage up top. Have a nice handy storage room here. We have the hot water tank, the vent, some ventilation pipes. So this is kind of cool because there's no lockers that come with the unit. So this can be kind of like your own storage space. It is quite spacious. There's some wiring there. We're coming on to the living room. Just before that, we're going to take a quick look at the first bedroom. So here, currently staged as an office. Nice spot for an office. It's a good sized bedroom. You can easily fit a double bed here. Or use it as an office. Let's take a look. The view. So site just in front, this is where phase 3 is going to be built. Okay. View of the room from the other side. curious what the size of the closet. Take a look. It's a good size. Good size. And the ceiling heights, I believe, are 8.5, 9 feet. So that gives you some additional vertical space. Here we have a view of the kitchen and the living room. Some nice recessed lighting. So this would be the master bedroom. Okay. Again, it's nice size. A nice size window as well. Some great lighting. You can see the closet on the right. So similar to the other one, pretty standard size. Would have liked to see maybe a walk-in closet, but this is nice as well. What I like here is the in-suite bathroom. Let's take a look at that. See some ventilation there on the wall for the air exchanger. So this is the first of 2 bathrooms. Private bathroom for the owner. Nice big tiles. The glass door. You see those shower curtain rods less and less, I find, with the new construction projects. The quartz. So even in the washroom, you have some quartz counters, which is nice. And it's not an extra, as I mentioned. They are included. Here we have a view of the kitchen. A nice deep sink. Okay, you have the stainless steel appliances. So the appliances are not included, but you never know. We might be able to negotiate something with the developer. Nice cabinet. View of the living room. Nice open concept. Kitchen and living room. Just on the other side of the island, you have the dining space area. Another last shot of the kitchen. This is where you'd put the dining, your dining room or your dining area. So as you can see, it's a 6-seater with room to spare. So it's a good size. It won't feel cramped. This is the second bathroom. Again, some nice finishings, nice light fixtures. You have the quartz counter. Lovely glass door there. So here's the living room. You see the pot lights or the recessed lighting. Again, that's included. No extra for that. There's another view. An L section is great for this layout. The wall here is where you would maybe mount the TV. And this is your third bedroom, guest bedroom. Okay. I love if you notice the size of the window is a lot bigger compared to the other 2 rooms. And I would actually make my office here because of the extra light that it gets and the larger windows. Okay, so this might be a better option for an office. If you're working from home a lot, this would definitely be my first pick. You have a little closet as well. This actually goes in a little bit deeper. So it's smaller. It's not as wide, but it goes deeper. Let's take another look here of the whole apartment overall. Very nicely staged. Let's step out in the balcony. Very nice size. You can see there's 2 chairs, but you can easily add a few more. It's gonna be nice to have in the summertime. A good sized balcony like this. It's quiet in the back. I don't hear a lot of noise. You can easily set up a small table with some chairs. Sit down, have a nice glass of wine. You don't hear really the traffic. You have a divider as well for privacy. You see the AC fan on the balcony here. And just an overall view again of the unit. So I really like the layout of this unit. I had some doubt when I saw that there were 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, all in about 1,100 square feet. But I do feel the developer really pulled it off with the layout. It doesn't feel cramped, spacious. Living areas like the kitchen and living room feel spacious. And bedrooms as well. You'll notice for the master bedroom, there's actually a bathroom that separates the master bedroom from the bedroom on the far side. So that's nice for added privacy. This would be great for a couple. You have some extra bedrooms in there that you can use as an office or as a guest bedroom. It would be good for a young family as well, with 1 or 2 kids even. It's a wooden structure, but don't forget there is a layer of concrete in between the floors. So that would be nice for families wishing to stay in the city and benefit from all the services in the city. So this would be a good option. So this is model F4 going for $560,000. It's sold, but if you like the layout, models G4 and H4 are available in third and final phase. And it's only $5,000 more compared to this phase. So yeah, very nice unit. So that about wraps it up for our visit today of Axe St-Laurent. So just to quickly recap some of the positives, it's a smaller project, 3-story buildings that feel very low key, intimate, as if you're part of the community. Smaller buildings means less units and more space per unit. Some great builder incentives as well, such as the 5% down payment, some extras such as the quartz counters, and the recessed lighting that are included in the base price. Great price points as well for 2 and 3 bedrooms in the area. In fact, you can actually get a 2-bedroom unit for less than $400,000 in the new phase. Location is great as well. Speaking of the area, it's centrally located, close to public transportation. You can actually get to downtown Montreal in about 20 minutes or so. So go ahead and comment below if you feel that this project is right for you. Let me know some of the things that you liked or didn't like. And also, if you have any questions about any of the builders here in Montreal, feel free to reach out in the comments. Check out my info in the description below. You can call, text, or email. I'd love to help you make a smooth move to Montreal. See you next time.